Hi there! Welcome to Placer Inspection Lab and Manufacturing, a leading developer of custom application systems for the biotech industry. Allow me to introduce you to our buccal tester system. It is one of our state-of-the-art automation test systems for measuring modulus elasticity of cylindrical and tubular-shaped polymer materials. With our buccal tester, you can determine total distance of travel and the applicable force to make a tubular-shaped material buckle. For further inquiries, please email us at info@pilnm.com. That is info@pilnm.com.